In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable QuickFlow in Canva. If you've ever been designing and those little QuickFlow buttons keep popping up around your shapes, it can be distracting or easy to click by accident. Disabling them on a specific shape is quick and simple, and it won't affect your actual design, just the way the editor displays those prompts while you work. Start by opening the Canva project where you're seeing QuickFlow appear. Give the page a second to load so all elements are active. Now, move to the exact shape where you want QuickFlow turned off. It could be a box, a circle, or any object that shows those QuickFlow buttons when selected. Click the shape once to make sure it's highlighted and verify you're working on the right element. If you're dealing with a busy layout, zoom in slightly so you can easily interact with the object you have in mind. Next, open the context menu for that shape. To do that, right-click directly on the shape itself. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. On some setups, holding the Control key while clicking also opens that menu. The key is to bring up the small menu that shows shape-related options without moving away from your canvas. In that context menu, look for the option labeled Disable QuickFlow. Click it once. That's all you need to do. You won't see any major visual change to the shape, but the QuickFlow buttons that usually appear around it, those little prompts to add connected elements, won't show up anymore when you select that shape. This helps keep your workspace clean and reduces accidental clicks that can break your focus or add unwanted elements. A quick tip: this change applies to the specific shape you selected. If you have multiple shapes where QuickFlow gets in the way, repeat the same action on each one. Select the shape, right-click, then choose Disable QuickFlow. It's a small habit that can make your workflow feel a lot more controlled, especially on complex layouts or when you're building visuals step by step. To recap the effect, your design stays exactly the same, and you can still move, resize, style, and edit the shape as usual. You're simply telling Canva not to show those QuickFlow suggestions for that particular object, which can be a real time saver if you prefer a clean, distraction-free canvas. And that's it. You've disabled QuickFlow on the shape you chose, making your design process smoother and more intentional.